everybody. Today is a new day, new kiln. Let's open it. It's actually quite warm. Still, I opened it about 2 hours ago, but look at that. I got it at AliExpress, and it's the first time I'm using it. It's
what, the rack?
nice. It's a rack, yeah, for beads. Look at that. Didn't stick. Wait, maybe just a little bit. It sticks a little bit. Well, anyway, I tried it and it works. Beautiful. And this was 1,200 Celsius degrees, so it held up very nice. All right. Who made this?
I made this.
You made it. Eran made it. Eran. Beautiful. I'm a good teacher, by the way. That's one of my students made. I think she's 14 years old. That's for her rings. That's her sister made.
Wow. It's
beautiful. I didn't like that, but I told her it was going to happen. It's turquoise glazing, and it drips. And I knew it was going to happen. It happens with this.
What, the bubbles?
The bubbles. Oh, I thought you can see the bubbles. But look at that. When it's flat, there are no bubbles. But when it drips, you see bubbles. I don't know why it happens, but that's just the way this. I tried it so many times, this glaze. That's just the way it is. Anyway. Isn't that cute? Oh my God. That I made it. My little dwarfs. That's the whole family. Pretty. Okay. Oh my God, what the heck happened here?
What's that?
Oh my God, what happened? It's not the first time I'm using this glaze. I put 2 coats. Oh my God.
Wow.
I made it to my mom because she really wanted me to make her mugs. Wow, I didn't expect that. That I didn't expect either. What the hell happened here? That's so weird. It's like they moved in the kiln.
They weren't close?
No. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know. Wow. The only way is it's garbage. I don't know. This is also, I don't understand. Maybe it's too thick. Well, it didn't happen here. That was, you put 1 coat on this, right?
1 coat, yes.
I'm thinking like maybe it's not the right temperature, but it's not the first time I'm using this glaze. Like, look at here, it turned out not bad. Wow. It's always a mystery why things happen in the kiln the way they do. Ah, that turned out to be beautiful.
Yes.
It's for utensils. Teaspoons, utensils. Yeah, I like it. But this, wow, I can't get over it. What the hell happened? Post. Anyway. Wow. I'm afraid to see what happens. What's at the bottom? Because I made... Oh my God. knew it. I'm gonna throw it away, this glaze. Something is wrong with it. Something happened to it. I don't know what. I think it was too thick. And I actually waited like at least 24 hours before I glazed it, and then I waited like a day before I actually put it in the kiln. I don't know. Makes me sad when things like that happens. Oh, that's student made. The one that made this made that as well. Okay. That's not bad.
Very nice.
Very nice. You see, it's weird. No bubbles here, and I really expected to have bubbles here. Go figure. Same glaze. Oh my god.
Whoa.
What the heck? I'm gonna have to fix it. This wasn't supposed to happen. That's weird. Too thick. One coat. Too thick. But I have a machine that I can sand it. Well, here it didn't happen. It's the same glaze. That turned out beautiful. Ah, nice.
Very nice. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's a bubble or it's something that was here, but it's beautiful, I think. No?
Mm-hmm.
That also. I was really afraid because the way they made it.
Have shades here, different.
Because
shades.
she painted, it's underglaze. It's like dark green, light green, and yellow, and she kind of like blended it. I was really afraid.
And on top, again, clear glaze. Or?
No, on top clear glaze, and inside the turquoise, and no bubbles. Well, here's one big one. Anyway, I was really afraid it was gonna explode because the way they made it, you see the cracks, and I thought it was gonna drip, but it didn't. So I'm happy about it. I'm throwing it away. That's it. I mean, it's weird. This actually came on. I mean, it's nice, even though it's not good, you know. It's still nice. There is something nice about it. That's also cute, yeah. And wow.
Nice. It's underglaze.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very nice. It turned out nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
Is it a crack there on the bottom?
Where? No, I think it's just a shade of smudge. Smudge?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe there is. Oh! Yeah, I wonder if it sealed the glaze. If it sealed the crack here. That it wasn't here before. The first firing. The crack was not there. Anyway, so here it is. Yep. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next kiln. Bye.